Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the measure of trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the problem. The given problem is, from the given figure prove that theta plus pi equal to 90 degree. Also prove that there are two other right angled triangles. Then find the value of sin alpha, cos b and tan pi. Right. So there are three questions available. One is theta plus pi equal to 90. We need to prove that. And other two triangles also right angle triangle. Then these three values, sin alpha, cos beta, tan pi. Now refer this triangle. There are two triangles available. A, B, C is the one triangle. A, D, C is the another triangle. C, B, C, D is the another one more triangle. There are three triangles available. These two triangles combinedly one more triangle. Right? A, B, C is the entire triangle. A, C, D is the second triangle. B, C, D is the third triangle. There are four angles available. At corner A the angle is alpha. At corner B the angle is beta. At corner C we have two angles. This, while referring this triangle, this angle is theta. While referring this triangle, this angle is pi. Right? So there are four angles: alpha, beta, theta and pi. The first question is, we need to prove that theta plus pi equal to 90 degree. That is right angle. So we need to consider the entire triangle ABC. What is the condition for that? Opposite side of this, the right angle triangle, this value is square of this value is the sum of square of these two values by Pythagoras theorem. That is AC square plus BC square equal to AB square. If you satisfy this Pythagoras theorem formula, we can say that this is the right angle, so that theta plus pi equal to 90 degree. So first we will consider the triangle ABC. We will find what is the, whether it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. First AC square. AC square is this value 15. All these values also given. 15, 9, 12, 16, 20 also given. So AC square is 15 square is 225. Take equation number 1. Then BC square is 20. 20 square 400. Take the equation 2. Then AB square. AB square is A to D is 9, D to B is 16. So 9 plus 16, 25. 25 square, 625. Now that is equation 3. So this Pythagoras theorem is AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. AB square is 625. AC square is 225. BC square is 400. So by adding these two, automatically we got 625. That is both are equal. So that angle C is theta plus pi, that is equal to 90 degree. So it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. The entire triangle ABC satisfies the Pythagoras theorem, so that automatically this angle will be 90. That is theta plus pi equal to 90 degree. Right? So the one question is completed. Now we'll see other two triangles. This triangle and the triangle are right angle or not. We'll see that. So theta plus pi equal to 90 degree, that is proved by Pythagoras theorem. Now other two triangles, that also by the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, in a right angled triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other side. So based on that, theta plus pi equal to 90 degree, so it is the right angle triangle. And also in the figure, ADC, DBC are the two other triangles. Now we need to see that these two triangles are right angle or not. Right? So that ADC, DBC. First we will consider the ADC, triangle ADC. So 9 square plus 12 square equal to 81. That is 81 plus 144, that is 225, that is 15 square. Right? So 9 is the one value, 12 is the another value, that is this 15 is the hypotenuse. Right? So while finding 9 square plus 12 square, we got 225, while that is nothing but 15 square. Now we'll refer this triangle ADC. This ADC. So 9 square plus 12 square, we got 15 square. So that automatically this angle is the right angle. So this is the right angle triangle, right? 9 square plus 12 square equal to 15 square. Similarly, while referring the another triangle DBC, 12 square plus 16 square equal to 20 square. So that this also right angle, this angle is right angle triangle. So it is also a right angled triangle. So we'll see the calculation for that. By referring the angle, by referring the triangle DBC, 12 square plus 16 square equal to 144 plus 256, that is 400, that is equal to 20 square. So this also satisfied. Therefore DBC is also a right angle triangle, right? So other two triangles also satisfy the Pythagoras theorem, that also a right angle triangle, right? Now we'll see the sin alpha, cos beta, tan pi, right? The sin alpha means we have to refer the angle alpha. Beta means we have to refer the angle beta. Pi means we have to refer the pi. So sin alpha equal to opposite side by adjacent side by referring the angle. We'll see the triangle. So this is the alpha is available. So opposite side is 12. Hypotenuse is 15. So 12 divided by 15. Sin alpha equal to, we have to refer this triangle. Sin alpha means opposite side is 12, adjacent side is 15. 12 divided by 15. So that is available here. 12 divided by 15, that is equal to 4 divided by 5. While simplifying, 4 divided by 5. Now we'll go to cos beta. 16 by 20. We'll see the diagram. Cos beta means you have to refer this triangle BCD, otherwise DBC. This beta. What is cos beta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. 16 divided by 20. So while simplifying, it is 4 divided by 5. 16 divided by 20. 16 divided by 20. 4 divided by 5. For tan we have to refer the pi. Tan pi. We have to refer the angle pi. We'll see the diagram. Pi means this angle. Now we have to again refer the DBC triangle. So the pi is available here, means this is the opposite side. This is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. So tan pi is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. 16 divided by 12. So that we'll see the diagram. 16 divided by 12, that is 4 divided by 3. Right? So we calculated the three values, sin, cos and tan. But the angle is different. While calculating sin, it is sin alpha. We have to refer this diagram. Cos is cos beta. We have to refer this triangle. Then tan pi. We have to refer this triangle, but the opposite side is different. For beta, this is the opposite side. For pi, this is the opposite side. Right? So we calculated these three values also by referring the three different triangles. So in this problem, we prove the three terms, theta plus pi equal to 90 degree by using the Pythagoras theorem. And other two triangles also right angle by using the same Pythagoras theorem. Then we calculated the three values with three different angles. Sin means alpha, sin alpha. For cos, cos beta. Tan, tan pi. By referring the three different triangles, we calculated these three values also. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.